Na gabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Katnat Arts and Culture ke jela ha ke jingilam uba polling do kum umentri ringkat lang umentri rangba ke jela u Konrad ki sangma ki wanra ekasan perkhat ka bathamai ban penslur ye ki kamwat bnya hakilan bapher bakentum ya ka Arts and Culture. Kijat ben riu lum try jela kaktien ka thaliet ka jinghiar pateng bat ka jingtei sa anam uberim bat kiwei. Ka sarkar jela lingba katnat pyneh Lariti ha ka jingyamir jingmut u Konrad ki sangma men ha ka arpnyo terik ujeliu arhajar arpusau ula pelat patba ya Chief Minister Research Grant CMRG ban penslur bat kentiu ya ki kamwat bnya research hapo ka jela ha ka jingyadan u Commissioner uba Frederick R Kharkongor IAS uba FM dom bat u Dr David Imni. Ya ka jingtmu jong ka CMRG ka longman ka pakaway ka project kenyo ya ka song pisa balay lak tingka ban pendep hapo ka shipau benai. Umentri rangba Konrad ki sangma uloong ka jingkong san ki jingwat benya bat jingbu jingtho namar baduna bha ka jingbu jingtho bat ka jingwat benya. Ka jingwat benya badale tikna ba ka jingbu jingtho ki de ki mau bersiu ki babun ki kampen roi. Kani ka sinjam ka thmu ban kershani ki scholar bat ki nongwat benya ki ba angnut ban sinyang rei ki bamdon ya ki nong kershan. Ka jingwat benya kandai ka jing ai pateng ya ka jingnang jingtim ka ban ai jingmentoi ya ki pateng ki banwan. Ka jingtmu jongi kalong banang pyneh ya kani ka program kat banang yat kapor. Ngikwa ban sedang da ka barid shamphang naki bat sanang pyneh. Shu umentri rangba ukentu ya ki scholar bakin apply ya kani ka grant bat ong kani ka program kadai ka bamang yapi lada phim apply kan shu sep ei kai no. Ngilong ki bakloi banang pyneh ya ka song pisa lada don kam. Ya ki application banyo eka grant on penkut ha ka chiteng mit jong ka arpau trik unai tung arhajar arpusau. Ki scholar ki basya jiet kin sayok tien hapo katayo ba arjong unailar arhajar arpusau bad ya ki installment baningkong jong ka grant on pelat ha ka khatsan trik unailar arhajar arpusau. Ki scholar ki bakwa ban apply ki la ban pha ya ki kerteng online link ba ka website ka sarkar katnat Arts and Culture bat katnat social media handles. Karukom jiet ke kentup ya ke jingbishar benya da ke CMRG committee bot da ke personal interview ke banong hasilong ki kertong basya jiet ke ban peni bat batai ya ki rukamle ya ke jingwat benya ya ke thup jong ki kertong ba on sya jiet on sepinmi online ya ke grand on pelat hakilai benta ke benta baningkong sanpho person on pelat hadin ba pendap lut ya ki jingdon kam baro ki badon kam ya ke benta ke ba arpsan person on ai hadin bakla IT ya ke progress report ke babnya hadin hinyo benai ke benta ke balai arpsan person on pelan hadin bala IT ya ke executive summary final report bat ke final statement of account ka jingbomla ban IT ya kini ki kot kisla hapo ka por balabu kan don kam ya ki kertong bakin pen phaino ya baro ka grant. Ka final research project kandai ka nongkanti jong ka sarkar Meghalaya haringkat ka jing ai jing ithu bakiyo jingkershan na ka CMRG ki kertong basya ajin la pensluru bakin penmi ya ki research jongki ha ka UGC careless journals da ka jing ai jing menjur.
Well, thank you.
That ends the formal part, sir. We would like to address the press. Dr. Ramona Sangma, Dr. Franz, family Sangma, and Dr. Charles Ruben, who are members of the CMRG committee, apart from the departmental officials. So we request them.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I'll leave it here.
Yes.
Scroll. Okay.
So just here on this page, so the CMRG has been initiated with the objective of
State to be able to go into territories which have not been researched into till this point of time, and once again,
The thought process is very simple. Number one, we have always felt, and I've mentioned this in many, many platforms, that we really lack documentation. We really lack research. And both research and documentation in one way is a foundation for, many other aspects to really happen. And many states and many nations, if you look at it, have stressed so much on documentation. And those documentations that they help the future generation to understand the past and improve the past in the future and make things better. So all of these thought processes, ideas, anything that we want to do to bring a change in our society and in our state starts with proper research and documentation, without which we really would not be, I should say, moving forward in a very scientific manner. And that's what has actually really pushed us to focus on this aspect of research and documentation. That's number one. Number two, we also realized that many of our scholars, they really want to do research, but actually they don't have the support to do research. So there's no lack of individuals who are keen, who are into research mode and would really like to contribute, but there was no mechanism or no platform through which they could do it. So this is really also to support these researchers and scholars to move forward.